everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a Dollar Tree holiday haul for you. Everything in this haul is stuff that I'm going to be using during this holiday season, and I thought I'd share it with you. Plus, I haven't done a Dollar Tree haul in a very long time. So I have a lot of things, and let's get started and see what I got. So the first thing is I picked up, maybe your Dollar Tree has these, maybe they don't. I picked up these glass bottles. They're very Farmhouse, but I'm actually going to use this to make DIY oils and bubble bath and body wash for some DIY gifts that I'm going to give out this season. So I picked up 5 of these. I'm not sure if I'm going to use all 5, but if not, these are perfect for water, for OJ, for display, for pretty much anything. You can use it for fermenting things, for making different drinks and things like that. There's on the smaller size, I believe these are a liter or so. But yeah, I got 5 of those. And then the next thing I got were these little jars. I was looking for something smaller because I found something on Amazon, and I think it was a 12 pack, and they were selling them. They were half the size for an outrageous price, and I've kind of looked around for body butters, candles, things like that. But I found these larger ones at the dollar. They're $1, and I got 5 of these too. And I think I'm going to do DIYs, but these are even perfect for storing things because they do have this like seal on it, if you can tell, there to store like treats and nuts and things like that. So I'm not sure if I'm going to use all 5, but I think these would make really cute containers for body butters and bath salts or candles or things like that. I did pick up some smaller ones at Menards that I may use for that, and then use these for storing things. I'm not really sure, but I think these would be really cute for like chocolate chips, white chocolate, some peppermints, things like that too. So you can get a couple different uses out of these. But yeah, I picked up 5 of them, so I'm kind of showing you that here. The next thing is this glass vase. This is in the medium size. I have the large and the small, and I'm not really sure what happened to my medium. It might have cracked, broke, whatever. But I like to use this during the holiday season for decorating. I put candles in here, fake snow or fake cranberries. Well, no, real cranberries, because I don't put the fake in because I'm afraid they're going to catch on fire. But you can put even like the candles that have the battery operated candles. Those are even perfect too. For these. So yeah, I got only 1, but they have several different sizes, and I think they're really cute for displaying pretty much anything. You can even just keep it with like a bunch of little mini ornaments, anything like that for the holiday season. The next thing is I'm going to use this in my centerpiece on Christmas Eve. I think I'm going to. There's 3 of them. I got 3 of them with the tea light, and at the bottom I'm going to put cranberries and then display them on my table with wood pieces. And I'm going to have my food. My food's always set up like open house buffet on Christmas Eve. So you can kind of just come in whenever you want, and the food is there, either cold or hot. You can pick, you can visit. We listen to Christmas songs, Santa stops by, the whole 9 yards, things like that. So I'm going to use these to display some things. Plus these would be really cute even in the summer, like out on a patio. I figured I'd get a lot of uses out of it. Maybe in the bottom of it I could put something else that's more summery-like. I'm not sure what summery-like is. Maybe like eucalyptus, I don't know. But something down there that it doesn't catch on fire. Or I can put like fake tea lights in there too, because I do have the battery-operated ones too as well. Lots of glassware. The man at the store was not happy with me. So as far as wrapping paper, I didn't see anything really super cute, but I did spot this red and white wrapping paper. Usually I get the brown wrapping. It's like the packaging paper that they use to package packages. So I picked up the white and red. I figured I'll use that with twine and ribbon to decorate some of my presents. My colors this year are red and white, and then if I find accent paper throughout the season, I'll do that too. But I like to keep it kind of neutral just because when I'm done with it, I can use the paper for Valentine's Day or for birthday gifts or anything like that. Plus, I just think it looks pretty the simpler it is. So I picked up 3 rolls of that. The next thing, I thought these were really, really, really pretty. I don't know. They're festive. There's like a little snowman. And I got a little penguin. And I got a Santa to display. I have this front area of my house that has like a couple different hostas and shrubs that it's the walkway when you walk up. I figured I'd put those there. And I'm getting these Well, I got these little lanterns they're really small, from Walmart, to kind of put in the walkway on Christmas Eve as people are walking up. And I thought these were really pretty too. So I got those for $1. You can't beat them. And they're tin, so they should last a few seasons. The next thing is I picked up tons of greenery. So we'll kind of go through this. They had some really pretty, like, silvery white flowers. I'm not sure, just to kind of highlight and accent things. I might use some of these for presents. I got some silver, like, berries, I guess you can call it. I got some more neutral ones, a little bit prettier. These have like pine cones and berries, a little bit more farmhouse inspired for different centerpieces and displays and things like that. So I picked up that. And I picked up one of these candle snuffers. I am going to do a DIY gift basket with some things like essential oils, some candles, homemade candles, tea towels and things like that. And I thought this was kind of an inexpensive little add to the basket. If you're interested in a video of my DIY home basket, let me know in the comments below and I'll let you know. Most of it's going to be from the Dollar Tree, either using some of these items. So let me know. I also picked up, I'm also going to do a Dollar Tree Christmas tree. If you're interested in that video, let me know in the comments below. But they had some really pretty, cute farmhouse ornaments that I'm going to use for that tree, or I'm going to put on packages. So, and I know there's more in here. I just don't know where everything's at. Let me see. Oh, wait, maybe over here. There's so much stuff. It's crazy. I don't want to quite show you any of that yet. Maybe it's in here. Let's see. I got these little, I'm thinking taking these little bulbs and putting ribbon on them. So I thought those were really cute. And here's some different ribbon to decorate, maybe presents in the Dollar Tree Christmas tree. I got 2 of those. And then I got these little LED light set. This one is in red. And this one is in yellow. And I got some, and actually, to be honest with you, I don't think I was intentionally going to buy yellow or red. I think I wanted white, so I might exchange those two, now that I'm thinking about it. I got some of these Christmas tree picks. They're like little clippy things, and they're with felt, and I thought these would be really cute. They're like a garland. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I have a couple different ideas for that, too. And then I got the snowflake ones, too. And then I got more of this burlap ribbon. And then I got 2 of these boogie wipes. I like to keep these in my teacher's bag just because I have a lot of toddlers and preschoolers that have boogers this time of year, and I don't always have Kleenexes handy, so I'm going to keep these with me at the studio and when I'm teaching. I picked up some fun stickers because Miss Jennifer always needs to update her stickers. Minions are always a fan favorite. And then I got these 2, which I think were really, really inexpensive, and for $1, just to label some DIYs and for gifts. Here are more of these little decorative balls. I got some large bells and some white sparkly ribbon and some of these storage containers, which I think will be really cute for a beauty DIY basket, to put like eye cream in it, or to do samples of body butter, or some bath salts or things like that. If you want a video on that, let me know in the comments below, or even a blog post too is fine. Okay, so let's move on to this one. I got these really pretty mercury glass perfume bottles, and I was thinking that I could either use them as a base, or I can make like a body oil or a body perfume. I only picked up 2 because I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to do with them yet, and I didn't want to. There was only like a couple. I didn't want to take them all, so we'll see. The next thing I got were these really pretty Drummer Boy present glittery gold picks. Now, I'm not going to use these for my tree. I'm going to use these to decorate my dancer's hair for our holiday show. So I picked up quite a few of these. I picked up several because I need them for some of my older dancers. And I just thought they were really pretty, and they're wearing gold. This is for their jazz class. They're wearing gold shorts, and I thought it'd be really pretty for their hair. And I have more over here, I believe. Yes, I do. Here we go. Here's some more. And then I got little silver jingle bells for a DIY craft, ornament craft. I'm going to post the craft on my blog. I'm not necessarily going to do a video on that. Here's some more of these containers. I bought these candles. Hopefully these work. These are the long flickering flame LED taper candles. I'm going to use these for my advent calendar. So I need 4 of them. And I think I'm going to just like to distinguish the colors, tie ribbon around it. Because I hate using real candles in it because I'm always afraid I'm going to burn down the house. So I picked up 4 of those. And then I picked up some small brown bags for gifts. And then we are going to do a make and take at my sister's house this holiday season. And we're making my homemade shave oil, the beard and shave oil. I did do a video on that. So I needed more containers for that to put in that beauty basket I'm going to make. So the next thing is here are some more of those farmhouse inspired ornaments. I got a lot of stuff, guys. Like, this video could take forever, but you really need to check out the DollarTree. Sometimes, you know, you underestimate them. Here are some more of those stickers. And then I picked up a bunch of cards. We are making cards and decorating cards, not only to give to family and friends, but also we are going to give to our local senior citizen home for my Girl Scout troop. So I needed some cards for the girls to decorate, and these were very pretty and inexpensive. I got some Yes to Carrots facial mask for that beauty basket. That was really, really awesome to have that. And then here are some more of these crazy ornaments. I think this is just really, I mean, this is really simple and it'll be perfect for my tree. And here's some more. This one says peace. I think the other one said joy. Yeah, it did say joy. These are really, really pretty. I couldn't resist. I got 2 of these. Aren't those pretty? Like, just even to put on your regular tree. And then here is this one. Look at that. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing that DIY DollarTree farmhouse Christmas tree, let me know in the comments below, because I will show you how I decorated it all with DollarTree items. Here's the lantern. So then I also picked up these little green sprigs. I'm going to use these to use as accents on gift packages. So I'll wrap it and then put that on there with the card saying to and from. So I thought these would be cute with ribbon. And then I believe I have one more bag. Do I have one more bag? Yes, I have one more bag. So here is the larger gift bags. These are, DollarTree is great for anything, wrapping paper, gift wrap, things like that. Here's some more sprigs, the farmhouse sprigs. And then I also picked up these clear bulbs. I like these for making ornaments. If you drop them, they don't crack. They're great for kids. You can do pretty much anything of that. I have tons of DIYs on my channel with bath salts I made in this. I have tons of ornaments I made on this on my blog. I will try to link all of them, and you should check them out because there's so many things you can do. Even on Pinterest, there's so many things. They have the smaller ones too, which I think is awesome. And then I picked up these little white tags right here. You can price things and things like that. But you can also, I was thinking you could like kind of decorate them with stickers and put to and from on for presents as well. Here's some more of those little sprigs for my girl's hair. And then I also picked up 2 of these Fonzie ribbons that I'm going to use for another dance. They're going to wrap around their ballet bun to wear in their hair for their Christmas show. So that'll be super fun. Just tie it around the bun and put a bow right on top or right on the bottom. Is a nice way to even do it even if your daughter is not a dancer, just to put their hair, you want to put their hair half up and then tie a little bow in it. I think they have really pretty ribbon. These little LED pillar candles, I picked up 2 of these. These are great because they're $1 and I love decorating all over my house with candles during the season. I just think it looks cozy. And then I think I showed you the gold and red. They had green. And they had like this, like, I don't even know, it's silver, but it looks kind of like an aged silver. So I got that, like an antique look. And then one more frig. So I have a lot of stuff that I'm going to be using this holiday season. If you love DollarTree videos, give me a thumbs up. If you have anything that you hauled that I didn't show in this video, let me know in the comments below so I can look out for it. If you don't want to miss any videos from me, hit that subscribe button, and I hope you guys have a good holiday season. Until next time, I'll see you guys real soon.